how you can get a coupon or a discount code for your Invideo. Now, Invideo is an amazing AI tool that you can use for video editing. Now, I'll show it to you guys. This is Invideo. Just go ahead and search for Invideo and make sure that you create an account and just log in. Now, you can use Invideo as you can see right here. Just log into it first. Now you can use InVideo for your social medias. You can use InVideo for your marketing purposes. You can even use for its for to create so many more uh, other videos. And you can see right here, you all you need to do is just give it a topic, choose a language, and a detailed instruction, and you will be able to create a video. Now you can see right here, you can go to media library. You can upload your videos. You can create, and yeah, just go to home. You can see all your history and exports right here, and you can yeah, you can use this to just create your AI video. Now to upgrade it to its plus version or max version, you can just tap on a plan right now, and after you tap on it, just go to coupon code in. Now this is the website right here, couponcodin.com, and search for a coupon. Now just search for InVideo, and after you search for it or wait for it, as you can see right here, just open it up. Now while you just you pay with your card, you can just add a coupon code which you will get from coupon code in. Now you can get the coupon code in. You can use you know, the one that suits you the best. Now the 30% one is the best. Just tap on it and just copy it and then paste it on your transaction while you just pay for InVideo, and with that you'll get a 30% discount. Okay. So that is all for the video, guys. That is how you do it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.